Welcome everybody. So today we are going to start with this problem set. This is popular problem set of CSWA exam. So we will see how we can solve this. First open Solidworks. We are in the part. Select the plane. Now here we will select front plane. First I will draw a rectangle of height 63 and length 100, which is given in the drawing. See, 100 mm length and 64 mm height. So next what we will draw is this one, this arc 30 mm radius, 30 mm radius, 35 mm from this point, and then we will draw a straight line and we will extrude cut it up to 8 mm from this surface. So first we will extrude it up to 50 mm, sketch. First we will select this center point will be here, and we will make arc like this, give radius of 30 and distance from bottom will be 35. Now we will select a line, draw a straight line, we will add tangent relation to the straight line so it will be fully defined automatically. Now we will cut. First select the contour, this one. You can do the calculations like 50 minus 8, or you can also use what is that. So we will do 50 minus 8, it is 42. Okay, this is generated. Next is this 25 radius arc. We will cut all these things. So this plane, same feature, same procedure. (25 mm). So distance from the bottom is same as 35. This circle radius is 25 mm. So diameter will be 50 mm. Make sure to make this point and this point, this point and this point horizontal, and distance from bottom is distance from side is 30. Go inside this point. Now trim this part. We will make the circle later on. First we will cut this part. So extruded cut to all both. Select the contour. So this much is over. We will cut this later on. First, let's make this cut and this cut. So for this cut, make a line at 20-degree angle and this line has 45-degree angle, and then add fillet of radius 10. The distance between these two lines is 40 and this line is 15 mm from this point. So we will do it, make two lines, 15 mm from this end, angle is 45, this angle is 20, and distance between these two lines is 40. Now add fillet of radius 10. So this part is over. Let's join this line so that we will get a close shape. Next, so here is in 12, no, 15 mm from bottom and 40 mm from side. So 15, 40, there is a circle over here. It is also through wall, so we will also draw this. So it is 10 mm in diameter, 10 mm from this side and 35 mm from bottom. So 10 mm, 10 mm and 35 mm from bottom. I am drawing all the sketches because these are through wall sketches, so we will do it in once. So through wall both, this part is over. Now we will shift to forward. Top part, go to corner rectangle. So here it is 50 and 15 from this side, 50 and 12. We will change this to 12. Okay. There is another hole over here. It is 9 mm from this side, 10 mm in diameter. So we will also create this. Ten mm, 9 mm from this side. Sorry, 9 mm from this side, 15 mm. So we will give extrude cut through all to both these things. Okay. Now this part is remaining, this cut is remaining, and this shape is also remaining. So we will do that. So let me see the depth of shape. 9. Okay, so first we will do this. Sketch. Same. Radius is 20. from bottom it is 35 because this all points lie in same plane, so we will add 35. We will select the contour and add depth of 9. Correct. Now only the circles part was remaining, so we will do it. Sketch. So first circle, second circle, radius 10, so diameter will be 20. So depth between these two is 13. So 13. Now we have to also cut this one. We will use convert entity, extruded cut. We will have to give the cut of 5 mm to this one. And we have to also cut it through all from here. So I will select this sketch and make convert entity, extruded cut through all. Now it is good. I will add sketch, select the center, make a circle of radius 10, this one, and I will add this up to this surface. So I will have to give extruded boss. We'll add up to surface, this one, select OK. Now there is one mistake in this. Here it is given that distance between this surface and this surface should be 5, but I have cut it to distance 5, so I have to correct it. See, the distance between this is 8 mm, so I will have to cut it even more. So what I will do is offset from surface, this surface offset is of 5. Now this is perfect. The only thing remaining was to add cut here. So for that we'll have to make a slant line with 20-degree in angle. This 18, extruded cut, select the profile through all both. Okay. Now add the material, that is copper. Now we are done with our drawing. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thanks for watching.